Hey guys, Adrian here at Quaid Harley-Davidson in Loma, California. Wanted to share with you guys this Jumpstart. I know you guys have been getting our emails, seen our posts about it. I wanted to give you guys an up-close and personal look to it. I got Bree here with me today. She's going to show you exactly how it works. So Bree, go ahead and hit the run button and then the start button right after. Nice. So now that the motorcycle's running, right here you got your display. It'll show you exactly where your RPMs are at, and it'll tell you what gear you're in. So first thing you're going to want to do is hold the clutch in on your left side, and then with your left foot, go ahead and tap the shifter down. And now the neutral light indicator came off, so now you're in gear. Simply release the clutch slowly. A little more, a little more, a little more. Give it a little throttle. Hold the throttle steady. Right now you're going about 15 miles an hour. Now release the throttle. Squeeze in the clutch, underneath with the toe, shift up, and do it again. Check it out, Kristen, that's how fast she's going. Alrighty. Squeeze the clutch in, now hit the off switch. And it's that easy, guys. If you guys want to schedule a test ride on the Jumpstart, give me a call at 909-796-8399.